morning, guys. I am here to talk about CW this morning. I came across something that's kind of interesting, and it just leads me to speculate that I don't think Chris Watts was looking to give any information out in regards to the case. I think they had evidence, CBI or FBI, they had evidence, and they went to Wisconsin to talk to him instead of the other way around. Chris isn't wanting to come clean because he can't sleep at night. I think they have evidence against someone, and I think that's why they went to Wisconsin to talk to him. So with that being said, I'm going to show you this. These are the three people that are on the inmate visitation history. Now, someone seems to be missing. His lawyer, right? Usually when law enforcement is going to talk to you and you have a lawyer, they're usually present. However, his lawyer could have been present and not on the visitation sheet, or that was information they kept from us. I don't know. It just seems a little suspicious to me. That was like when I first saw this, that was the first thing I thought of. Why isn't his lawyer on here? But so that's what leads me to believe that they have evidence and that it wasn't the other way around. Chris did not request for them to come so he could divulge his secrets. No. CBI, FBI has evidence, and they're ready to hear from Chris what the story is, because it means more are involved. It could be one, it could be two, it could be more. I don't know at this point. But what I do know is that this inmate visitation history does not have his lawyer on it. It's not the end-all be-all signed, sealed, delivered sheet. I mean, his lawyer's name could possibly not be on here for privacy reasons. But I don't know. I'm going with my gut here. And they went with evidence and are like, all right, Chris, you're going to talk. Another reason that I believe they have evidence and they went and talked to him instead of him reaching out to tell law enforcement anything is what his dad said last night, or what I read to you that his dad said. Let me get it. Right here. Ronnie was surprised about this meeting with law enforcement as he thought the case was done and over with. And according to Ronnie, he speaks with Chris every night. Why was Ronnie in the dark about this meeting that Chris had with the police on February 18th? Just seems odd. So just that alone indicates to me that there's evidence, and law enforcement went to Wisconsin to get Chris to talk. Right? And then I also want you guys to understand, keep in mind that the only reason we are being told about March 7th and the documents are being released is because someone or some news agency got wind of the situation or interview or the evidence from February 18th and requested it legally to be released from the Freedom of Information Act. Otherwise, it was probably not going to be released. But there likely was a leak of evidence and someone ordered the document to be unsealed. I mean, this is important evidence, right? If the docs were not planned to be released, then wouldn't it be difficult to arrest anyone without the public knowing? So, that's that. I mean, I do not believe there are any arrests pending at this time. However, that can change. I'm sure CBI, FBI want to make sure they have all their I's dotted, all their T's crossed before they do anything. And March 7th, if we end up finding out someone that we all think has been involved does get arrested, or evidence does come out that they are involved like we thought this whole time, I mean, wow, right? Oh boy, hold on here. I really do think that we're gonna find out some information about NK. I really, really, really do. And I bet you she's pooping her pants right now. If she's not already maybe in jail and it's incognito and we just don't know about it. Anything's possible. I don't know. Some people think her dad put pressure on Colorado police to make Chris say something. No, definitely not. Definitely not. I don't think CBI, FBI would go up to Wisconsin to talk to Chris to be like, hey, we need to clear NK's name because everyone hates her and we know she's so innocent. No, they're not going up to Wisconsin to talk to her, to talk to him about her. No, in that regards, to clear her name so that what? We're all just gonna forget what we saw in the interrogation rooms and believe that she had nothing to do with it. No, that won't work for me. But it will be really, really interesting to find out what piece of evidence they have come across. And I think the Lord above that it got leaked so that we are privy to the information now. So, I mean, there's so much that we obviously don't know in this case. It's been sealed and locked up, so we would never hear about it. And they've only let us see what they've wanted us to see. And I don't know. I just really do believe that we're going to find out the evidence is going to lead to NK being an accessory, watching this happen, helping, planning. She's involved. March 7th, we will find out. Again, these are the 3 people that visited him, and I see no lawyer name present here. Leads me to indicate the police went there to talk to him because they have evidence, not the other way around. So, anyways, guys, comment below, like, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to you guys all soon. Bye.